detects Google Pay app payment failed, this transaction may be risky. So if you are encountering the payment fail in your Google Pay or GPay here are the some steps you can take to resolve the issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the internet connection available on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have to check your internet connection first of all. After checking your internet connection, also you have to make sure you are using the latest version of your Google Pay app on your device. So you have to update it through your Google Play Store or Apple Store on your device. Just navigate to your Google Play Store and search for the Google Pay app here. Once you have searched for the Google Pay app on your Play Store or Apple Store, if there is any update available, you have to update your app to the latest version. Also, you can go to your Google Pay app and you can check your payment method. So you have to ensure that it's valid or not. Also, you can navigate to your device setting. You have to go to your device setting and scroll down to your app or management app here and go through it and search for the Google Pay here. And once you have searched for the Google Pay or GPay, so here you can see the GPay. So you have to simply clear the cache of your GPay here. Just tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache, not for the clear all data. So if you go for the clear all data, it may log out from your currently available account. So you can check your data and clearance here. Also, you have to check for the restriction. Ensure that there are no restriction in your bank account that prevent the transaction, and make sure that there is enable all necessary permission on your GPay. So you have to enable all necessary permissions just like camera option, contact option, location, microphone, all SMS here. So you have to enable the application permission. So if this step doesn't work, you have to contact the GPay service or Google Pay service here. They can provide you the specific details related to your account. So with following this step, you will be able to resolve the payment issue. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.